Oh my goodness. Teddy! Careful with the zoomies. You scared him. You scared him. Come on, come here. Sit. Come on. Say sorry. You're right, aren't you, mate? Teddy he has no self-control. He's just a goofball is the only way you can describe. Yeah, you tell him. It's the only way you can describe him. Oh God, here we go. Teddy. Teddy. I think I'm gonna have to watch that back. I don't even think Teddy's touching the puppy. I think puppy's just scared of movement. Teddy's come to go to the toilet now anyway. No, here he comes. Teddy. Niko heard the puppy cry, so she's come to check that everything's okay. Good old Mama Niko. Just calm down, Teddy. I love how she's got such a stern thing while wagging her tail. Dogs are so funny. Come on, Teds. Teddy. Ready. He's gonna get you. Run away. I love how when Niko comes around, they all calm down now. Boss lady knows what she's doing. Don't you, Neeks? She's warning him now. Don't lie down, Niko. Lie down. Down. Good girl. Good girl. Go get him.